Okay, I wanted to show you guys this abandoned mausoleum. This is, I don't want to say where it is because I don't want people coming in here and desecrating it, but it's been abandoned since I think the last interment in the early 60s, but it still has power, which is really strange, but I mean, it was built in 1913. Ugh, spider webs are everywhere. Ugh. Look at this urinal. Thing's like 5 feet tall. Handles are frozen. Let's see if these... Oh, sorry about the lighting. I just got this GoPro, so I gotta get a light for it. I just tried to hit the lights and the light bulb popped, so that's no good. I'll show you some of this. Some motor in here, I don't know if it's still running. Here we go. Crazy looking chair. Now the weird thing about this mausoleum, it's still within an active cemetery, but it's very weird. I've been in a lot of mausoleums and cemeteries and things. I explore these places. But this place is strange because it's a huge building. But this is the only... Let's see if these... And of course the light doesn't work. But this is the only mausoleum space there is. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10... There's only 15 people interred here. I don't know what's in here. Love to know. I'd like to know what's back there, but yeah. But look at these dates. 1923, 1941. So, yeah, the last interment was 1963. Can't really see it. My phone light on. There we go. Yeah. 1963, so over 50 years ago. You see it's really gone into disrepair. It's the marble plates here are starting to come apart. Yeah, but so yeah, it's really weird. It's I've never seen a mausoleum like this. Get some better view in here. Yeah. And I don't know what this is. Looks like maybe a Wi-Fi. machine or something. I don't know. Nice chair. This radiator. How old is that? Plenty of cases of water if you need any. Refrigerator. Okay. Some pipes, canvases and things. Sorry about the light. I'm gonna get a better look at this nice vintage light fixture. It's nice stained glass windows, radiators. I said it's very strange because spider webs are everywhere. So there's a lot of like church, like these pews, like church pews. So I don't really know. This is more of like a memorial chapel, I guess. I don't know. Oh, got some better lighting. I can take some more of this video. I don't know what this looks like. Some kind of. Oh wow! Look at that. You guys can see this a little better. It's a record player. An old vacuum cleaner. Yeah, wow. See, yeah, that's the record player and the controls. So I guess as the memorial service is going on, they'd have like background music or something. Yeah, it's crazy. How old is that? What was that? Oh, yeah, it tells you right there. Here's for the tower. You guys can see that. Yeah, the tower switch. Which we'll go up to right now. We're going to go take a look at the towers. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's like a little accordion. So I guess somebody would sit in here and play. There's like a... Oh wow, look at this, guys. Ugh, it's nasty. Look at this, is all the records. And here's another record player. Oh, this is tape. And look at all these records on the floor. The old Rugged Cross. These old 33 albums. This is, look, these things look brand new. Some piles of them. Ye Watchers and Ye Holy Ones. There's like a bunch of interment orders right there. I'm not going to show the names. There's something that looks like fuses or something up there. Not even going to try to turn that on. It'll probably catch fire. Yes. Yeah, so this is like the control room for the little like pipe organ thing. I'm going to go check up upstairs and see what's going on. Ooh. These stairs look kind of sketchy. Wow, look up there. The ceiling's coming apart. There's spider webs everywhere. Look at this place. This is crazy. This window is painted over. But this, it used to be clear window. Oh wow, look at the roof. It's like the stained glass roof. And I don't know what the heck this is. I don't know, that goes down. I've been in here before. That just goes down to an empty storage. I'm not crawling through there again. I'm gonna break my neck. There's a view outside. It's a rainy day. Ugh, dead bugs everywhere. These old radiators everywhere. It's like a box of like fixtures and like curtains and things. Let's see what I think last time I saw this, it was like another internment booklet or something. And it's empty. Oh, there's some writing in here. Fred Walter. I don't know what that is. This is what? Lot number 13, Fred Walter. I don't know. Here's another one. This has got more. Oh,